Yes, the first look is out of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and guess what? Samsung were going to launch Galaxy S23 Ultra a couple of weeks earlier than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Having a closer look at the Galaxy S23 Ultra renders, we see a similar design just like the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but there are minor updates. First, Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a less curvy display, more boxy design just like the Note series, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be slightly thicker, around 0.1mm. If we compare the measurements, Galaxy S23 Ultra will measure 163.4 into 78.1 into 8.8mm compared to 163.3 into 77.9 into 8.9mm for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The ones who are interested in Galaxy S23 or S23 Plus, then the new renders of the Galaxy S23 and the S23 Plus is also out, and we will see a quite similar design to what we have seen on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The split camera island look on the back, which looks better than the last generation Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S22 Plus. Samsung is on its way to launch the Galaxy S23 Ultra earlier than expected. As per rumors, Galaxy S23 Ultra will be launched few weeks earlier than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which means we might see Galaxy S23 Ultra in January, which is a month earlier than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with some of the significant changes compared to the last generation Galaxy S22 Ultra. The most important update is its new processor. Yes, Galaxy S23 Ultra will only power Snapdragon Gen 2, no Exynos processor this year, and Qualcomm will also going to come out with the big numbers on the Snapdragon Gen 2, whopping 3.5 GHz clock speed, and as per rumors, Snapdragon Gen 2 can beat a 16 Bionic chipset in GPU performance. Qualcomm will going to release this on November 15 event, but there is speculation in Samsung's Eternal's affair, where the higher officials wants Exynos 2300 processor in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but Samsung MX department is not satisfied with the Exynos 2300 performance. The ones who don't like a battery on the Galaxy S22 Ultra should be happy, since Samsung will going to increase the battery on the Galaxy S23 Ultra around 5%, and you will also see a 5% battery increase in the Galaxy S23. Not a big update, but with new Snapdragon Gen 2 power efficiency and low power mode, Galaxy S23 Ultra will get a better battery backup than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. A sad news for the people who like fast charging on their phones, since Samsung will going to put a 25W fast charger in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yes, you guys heard it right, a downgrade from the last year Galaxy S22 Ultra 45W fast charger. You guys should have your eyes on the Galaxy S23 Ultra camera, since a big update is coming to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, 200 megapixel camera with the new ISO-cell HP2 sensor. Rest of the camera will remain the same, except the front-facing selfie shooter may get an update. If you are thinking how Galaxy S23 Ultra is more powerful than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, then you should check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.